Hey guys, we're Dominic here, and in today's video, we will take a look at another new project called Rich Dao. It is innovative, decentralized reserve currency protocol based on Phantom Chain. But a short disclaimer that this will not be an investment advice, and make sure you guys do your own research. With this being said, let's get into the video. So here we are at the Rich Dao website. As you can see, the user interfaces looks very attractive, and as the project name says, rich. They put some royal race and rich peoples on the front. On the top, you can see option of overview, roadmap and documents. So before getting into the introduction of Rich Dao, they have finished IDO sale less than 1 hour at January 30th. And right now, they are almost got over 6 million TVL and treasury over 2 million, but they aim to build their treasury more than 10 million. They are listed on coingeko. Rich Dao is an Ohm fork, so in order to understand, we need to know what Ohm is, or what Olympus DAO is, and why this concept became revolutionary. Now, first, let's try to understand the concept and purpose of Rich Dao. The concept was to create a crypto reserve currency that was backed by real assets and real value, and had a real intrinsic value, and not something people speculated. The idea was that each Ohm will be backed by $1, but the price will be allowed to free flow and be whatever the market decides it to be. And the market decided that price is much more than $1, so it increased from $1 to $100 and beyond. And Olympus decided to start giving bonds, which basically means that people can buy Ohm tokens at the discounted price if they give stablecoin to the treasury, which was selected to be DAI tokens. And this helped increase the treasury over time and accumulate more assets. But what made this concept revolutionary was Olympus owning its own liquidity. Usually projects offer a certain API as an incentive reward to people that provide liquidity, but Olympus decided to own it itself. So basically Olympus was selling liquidity to its own self. And this was game changer, and that's why so much forking started from this concept, which was basically using the same idea and running it under a different name or under a different system or blockchain. Rich Dao is an Ohm fork but is not 100% identical to it. They will use 10% of their treasury to invest in high quality crypto assets to generate return, to incubate the project by investing in it at an early stage, which is an opportunity that an average investor cannot get. But with this, Rich Dao will be generating risk-free returns on our stablecoins and turn them into productive assets. They will also be integrating the play to earn concept and NFTs. Now, over here, they say Rich Dao is a crypto incubator that uses its treasury to cultivate, incubate, and invest in early stage crypto projects. And for further information, join them on Telegram group. I will put the link in the video description. Rich Dao is the evolution of the research currency protocol. The DAO uses its protocol controlled value to reward token holders with exceptional yields. At the same time, it uses its treasury reserves to invest in and incubate innovative projects. Their goal is to comfort people who have lost money and become rich together. They will also regularly distribute money from the treasury balance to help you achieve your wishes. Unlike first generation reserve currency protocols, the goal of Rich Dao isn't just to grow its market cap and treasury from bonding. Instead, Rich Dao uses 10% of treasury to invest in high quality crypto assets, effectively turning the DAO into an on-chain venture fund. The DAO will also help incubate and build projects from the earliest stages. All tokens acquired by the DAO will be owned by the treasury, creating exponential value and unmatched upside for investors, as well as regular activities to fulfill your wishes. Now, further, they say that Rich Dao is the next stage of the tried and tested reserve currency model. While building a sufficient treasury is important for a protocol, the portfolio management of that treasury is equally as important. We are hyper-focused on putting the treasury to use to generate a return, including building, incubating, and investing in early-stage projects. opportunities that are typically not available to the average investor. They will also be exploring ways to generate risk-free returns on our stablecoins in order to turn them into productive assets. And then they will also give back to fans regular events to help you make your wishes come true. So it means that they will use 10% of their treasury to invest in high quality crypto assets to generate return, to incubate the project by investing in it at an early stage, which is an opportunity that an average investor cannot get. But with this, Rich Dao will be generating risk-free returns on our stablecoins and turn them into productive assets. Rich Dao is their native governance token, which will be used to govern the DAO. The DAO will have voting power for major protocol decisions and treasury management. RİCH has launched natively on Phantom, as I already told you, and is available for swapping on pancakeswap. They also plan to expand to cross-chain in the future. Now let's check out the document. You guys can get further information over here. I have already discussed the concept, introduction, and aim of this project, but I will still going to read it for you guys, and if there's something I need to explain, I will do it for you guys. So over here they say, what is Rich Dao? Rich Dao is an innovative decentralized reserve currency protocol based on the Rich token. Each Rich token is backed by a basket of assets, example USDC, in the Rich Treasury, giving it an intrinsic value that it cannot fall below. We are a community-driven DAO that introduces unique economic and game theoretic dynamics into the market through staking and bonding. These two mechanisms are crucial for creating a sustainable reserve currency while optimizing for short and long-term wealth creation for holders of the Rich token. Now, what is the point of Rich Dao? Their goal is to build a policy-controlled currency system in which the behavior of the Rich token is controlled at a high level by the DAO. In the long term, we believe this system can be used to optimize for stability and consistency so that Rich can function as a global unit of account and medium of exchange currency. In the short term, we intend to optimize the system for growth and wealth creation. How can you guys participate in Rich Dao? There are two main strategies for market participants: staking and bonding. Stakers stake their Rich tokens in turn for more Rich tokens, while bonders provide LP tokens in exchange for discounted Rich tokens after a fixed vesting period. Governance participants can get involved on our forum and through discussions on our community Discord and DAO Discord servers respectively. We are always looking for new community members to contribute. Now, how can you benefit from Rich Dao, or how you guys can get profit from Rich Dao? The main benefits for stakers comes from supply growth. The protocol mints new Rich tokens from the treasury, the majority of which are distributed to the stakers. Thus, the gain for stakers will come from their auto-compounding balances through Rich exposure, though Rich exposure remains an important consideration. That is, if the increase in token balance outpaces the potential drop in Rich due to inflation, stakers would make a profit. The main benefit for bonders comes from Rich consistency. Bonders commit a capital upfront and are promised a fixed return at a set point in time. That return is in Rich, and thus the bonder's profit will depend on Rich price when the bond matures. Bonders benefit from a rising or static Rich price. Selling will also affect the price of Rich, thereby affecting bonds' income. Now, who created Rich Dao? Rich Dao was ideated and built by a distributed pseudo-anonymous team and is contributed by the Rich Dao community. Now, who runs Rich Dao? No one. It's not run by anyone. Rich Dao is DAO governed. All decisions are formed by community members on the forum and made by tokens holders through snapshot voting. Now let's jump back to the main website. Now we have the roadmap of Rich Dao. So for the Q4 of last year, they have completed the following: team build out, Discord, Twitter, and Telegram launch, form partnership in the Phantom ecosystem. And for the Q1 of this year, they have completed the following: first and second wave of whitelist offering and community, complete AMAs with prospective projects for incubation fund, recruiting influencer and Rich ambassador for community, final wave of whitelist offering and community, Rich public sale, launch Rich protocol, and liquidity. Now for the Q1 of this year, these are the ones that are still pending or on the go. Now for the Q1 of this year, these are the ones that are still pending. CoinGecko and coinmarketcup listing, DAO proposed, DAO proposal for Rich Dao begin, treasury management, fund deployment, etc. Propose various upgrades for the protocol such as incubating RİCH, variable rate ROI for bonding based on length investing, update a list of communities, wealthy desire or wish from RİCH ambassador, investment list of other crypto projects, helping early stage crypto projects with building their protocols, and providing funding from the innovation fund in return for tokens which Rich Dao Treasury will receive and hold. Now for the Q2 of this year, they have planned deploying first season of Treasury fund to community, investment thesis call with DAO for development and incubation strategy line, begin developing investment and funding Rich DAO 2.0 using Treasury fund, begin development of native DAO tooling platform native to Phantom's ecosystem, Rich DAO begins to incubate and invest in projects, integrate native DAO tooling to make management seamless and integrated, license our DAO tooling to other DAOs looking for a management system. And for the Q3, they have planned deploying second season of Treasury fund to community list of wealthy wish. Treasury fund will fulfill community's wish seasonally. Continue to develop, incubate and fund new protocols and get the DAO involved as much as possible in new initiatives. And Rich ambassador continue collect deathly desire or wish from community and fulfilled. Make sure Rich Dao's community will be rich together. Now they have given their Discord link. You guys can meet the Rich Dao community and get answers to any questions you have. Further, they have given link for docs for further information. They also shared their Twitter handle and Medium. So yes, that's it for today's video. So this is all for this video. If you have any question, you can leave it down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video shortly.